Everyone, this is Dr. Eti. Now today we are going to explain show that the angle between the two circles x square plus y square equals to a square and x square plus y square equals to ax plus ay is 3 pi by 4. Okay, first of all here write the given circles. What is the given circles? X square plus y square equals to a square. Again, we'll get to write x square plus y square minus a square equals to 0. The another circle means x square plus y square equals to ax plus ay. That implies we'll get to write here x square plus y square minus ax minus ay equals to 0. These are the given two circles. Here, in these two circles, comparing the general equation of the circle. Here, comparing the general equation of the circle, G0 and F0, only constant is there. C equals to minus a square. So that 2G equals to 0, G equals to 0. Again, 2F equals to 0, F equals to 0. Only constant term C equals to minus a square. And then another circle also comparing S dash equals to 0 circle. 2G dash equals to minus a. 2G dash equals to minus a. G dash equals to minus a by 2. And 2F dash equals to minus a. F dash equals to minus a by 2. Next then, here C dash equals to 0. C dash equals to 0. Substitute these values, angle between the two circles formulae. What is the angle between the two circles formulae? Cos theta equals to C plus C dash minus 2G dash minus 2F dash by 2 square root of G square plus F square minus C into square root of G dash square plus F dash square minus C dash. Substitute these values. Here C means minus a square. C dash means 0. So here substitute minus a square. C dash means 0 minus 2 into G means 0. G dash means minus a by 2. 0 into minus a by 2 minus 2F dash. F means 0, F dash means minus a by 2 whole divided by 2 square root of G square plus F square minus C. 0 plus 0 minus C means minus a square. That is plus a square. Again in the square root of G dash square minus what is G dash minus a by 2. G dash square means a square by 4. F dash means minus a by 2. F dash square means plus a square by 4. Next that this is 0. Okay, a whole under square root of. Next that here after simplification this will get to write cos theta equals to numerator means only minus a square remaining 0. Next that here 2 root a square. Here cos theta equals to minus a square by 2 root a square and under square root of here a square by 4 plus a square by 4. LCM this will get it. LCM is 4. Here same LCM, adding the numerator 2a square by 4. Here write 2a square by 4. 2a square by 4. Cancellation will get it under square 1 by 2. Therefore cos theta equals to minus a square by this is 2 root a square, that is 2a. Next, here root of 1 by 2 a square, right? 1 by root 2 a. Next that, here write minus a square by 2a. This transpose will get numerator. I mean a by root 2. This is a by root 2. In the denominator is there. After will transpose numerator root 2 by a into root 2 by a into root 2 by a. Here a and numerator a square will get cancel here. Next that write minus root 2 by 2. Minus root 2 by 2. That is right. Minus root 2 by 2 means minus root 2 by this 2 right, root 2 into root 2. Root 2 gets cancels. This is minus 1 by root 2. Therefore cos theta equals to here minus 1 by root 2. Next that here minus 1 by root 2 in this cos angles means 3 pi by 4. Okay. First of all here write theta equals to cos inverse of cos of 3 pi by 4. Cos of 3 pi by 4. Theta equals to cos inverse of cos of 3 pi by 4. Therefore, here write the angle means theta equals to 3 pi by 4. Okay, thank you.